Hey, this is Mr. Best, talking to you today about a different way to multiply fractions using shapes. Now, the last time we talked, we used the denominator to decide how many boxes we were going to make. So let's pretend I was doing it the old-fashioned way that we talked about before. Now, because my denominator is 8, I'm making 8 lovely boxes. Now remember, the whole number in that case was going to tell us how many little circles I was going to draw inside the boxes. Well, because I only have 2, I can't even fill up the boxes that I have, let alone go one step ahead and circle 5 out of my 8 boxes. That does not work this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take all that away one by one and show you a new way. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 5/8. So let me take a circle, a beautiful, beautiful ugly circle, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it into 8ths. I'm not a mathematics program, that's for sure. Now I need to color in 5 out of my 8. Now, since it says times 2, I'm going to have to do this one more time. I don't know why I'm drawing this a little bit differently, but that's okay. Now, 5/8 and 5 more 8ths. There's 2 of them in all. So when I add that together, I get 10/8. Of course, if I keep this going, I will then get 1 and 2/8, which is then equal to 1 and 1/4. Now let's show this one more time. Now this time the whole number's in front. Don't worry, that's not going to change a thing. We're still going to focus on the fraction first. So let me go ahead and draw 3/8 this time. Now I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm actually going to take my fraction and use a rectangle instead of a circle. I can still color in 3/8. 1, 2, and 3. Now this one said I need to have 4 sets of that 3/8. Now this can get kind of heavy on the drawing skills, so time to pony up and ride along. Abraham Lincoln would have definitely done this. Hitler? Probably not. He would have made one of his people do it. Now what I've drawn here is 4 sets of 3/8. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So really what I'm saying is 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 3/8. Now if I were to add those all together, put them all together, I would get a total of 12/8, which is equal to 1 and 4/8, which is equal to 1 and 1/2 once I simplify it. So there's your review on a second way to multiply fractions.